Mount Bromo is an active volcano on the Indonesian island of Java. It sits within a vast volcanic sea of ash known as the Sea of Sand. The local Tenggerese people still hold an annual ritual throwing offerings into the crater to honor the mountain.
The Isle of Skye, with its dramatic landscapes and mystical charm, is a treasure of the Scottish Highlands. From the rugged peaks of the Quillen Hills to the enchanting fairy pools, every corner of this island tells a story. It's a land of legends, where nature takes a centre stage. The island's ever-changing weather adds an element of surprise to its wild beauty.
Is a glacier in Argentina's Los Glaciares National Park. It's one of the few glaciers in the world still advancing rather than retreating. Massive chunks periodically break off its face in dramatic, thunderous collapses visible from purpose-built viewing platforms. Socotra is a remote island off the coast of Yemen in the Indian Ocean. It's often called the most alien-looking place on Earth. Roughly a third of its plant species, including the umbrella-shaped dragon's blood tree, exist nowhere else on the planet. Transfăgărășan is a mountain road through Romania's Făgăraș range. It's known for its dramatic hairpin turns and alpine scenery. It was built in the 1970s under Ceausescu as a strategic military route, using massive quantities of explosives to blast through solid granite. Mahé is the largest and most populated island in the Seychelles. It's home to the capital, Victoria. Victoria is actually one of the smallest national capitals in the world. Lake Baikal is a vast freshwater lake in Siberia, Russia. It's the oldest and deepest lake on Earth. It holds roughly 20% of the world's unfrozen fresh water, more than all 5 North American Great Lakes combined. Santorini is a Greek island in the Aegean, known for its whitewashed villages perched on cliffs. Its dramatic shape comes from a volcanic caldera. That caldera formed after one of the largest volcanic eruptions in human history, around 1600 BC, which some link to the Atlantis legend. Greenland is the largest island on Earth, situated between the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans. It's an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark. Roughly 80% of it is buried under a permanent ice sheet up to 3 kilometers thick. Giant's Causeway is a rock formation on the coast of Northern Ireland. It consists of tens of thousands of interlocking basalt columns. It was formed by an ancient volcanic eruption, though local legend credits it to the giant Finn McCool building a path to Scotland. overlooks Cape Town, South Africa, with a distinctive flat top. It's often covered by a rolling cloud locals call the tablecloth. Its plateau hosts more plant species than the entire United Kingdom, packed into a fraction of the area. Tsingy de Bemaraha is a nature reserve in western Madagascar, known for its razor-sharp limestone spires. Its name means, where one cannot walk barefoot. The formations were carved entirely by rainwater dissolving limestone over millions of years, with some pinnacles rising 70 meters high. The Namib Desert runs along the coast of Namibia in southwestern Africa. It's considered one of the oldest deserts in the world. Its towering red sand dunes, among the tallest on Earth, get their color from oxidized iron in the sand. Patagonia is a vast region spanning southern Argentina and Chile. It's known for its glaciers, mountains, and wind-swept plains. It's home to some of the strongest sustained winds on Earth, which have shaped its trees into permanently bent forms. The Danakil Depression is a desert basin in northeastern Ethiopia. It's one of the hottest and lowest places on Earth. It's home to the Erta Al volcano, one of the few places on the planet with a permanent, visible lava lake. Lençóis Maranhenses is a national park in northeastern Brazil covered in white sand dunes. Despite looking like a desert, it sits in a region with heavy seasonal rainfall. Rainwater collects between the dunes each year, forming thousands of clear turquoise pools. is a bay in northeastern Vietnam, dotted with thousands of limestone islands. It's one of the country's most visited natural sites. Its name translates to descending dragon, tied to a legend that dragons spat jewels into the sea to form the islands. Tahiti is the largest and most populous island in French Polynesia. It serves as the region's main hub for travel and trade. The word tattoo itself derives from the Tahitian word tatau. Siancan is a protected reserve on Mexico's Yucatan coast. It spans wetlands, reefs, and forest. Its Maya name translates to origin of the sky, and it remains one of the least developed stretches of coastline in the Caribbean. The Atacama is a desert in northern Chile, wedged between the Andes and the Pacific coast. It's one of the driest places on Earth. Some weather stations here have never recorded a single drop of rain, making it a testing ground NASA uses to simulate conditions on Mars. The Dolomites are a mountain range in northeastern Italy, part of the Alps. They're known for their pale, jagged peaks and hiking trails. Their pink glow at sunset comes from a mineral called dolomite, discovered and named by an 18th century French geologist. Magora is a rock formation in central Greece topped with centuries-old monasteries. Its name means suspended in the air. Monks originally reached some of these monasteries only by climbing removable ladders or being hoisted up in nets. Yellowstone spans parts of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, and was the world's first national park. It's known for its geysers and wildlife. It sits atop one of the largest active volcanic systems on Earth, a supervolcano capable of eruptions far larger than any in recorded history. Turquoise waters and overwater bungalows define the dreamscape of Bora Bora. Volcanic peaks rise above coral reefs teeming with life. It's the epitome of tropical paradise. Romance, serenity, and breathtaking views are guaranteed. Sala de Uyuni is a vast salt flat in southwestern Bolivia. It's the largest salt flat on Earth. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water turns it into what's often called the world's largest natural mirror. Zhangjiajie is a national park in China's Hunan province, known for its towering sandstone pillars. Some of its peaks rise over 200 meters straight up. Its otherworldly landscape directly inspired the floating mountains in the film Avatar. The Chocolate Hills are a cluster of over 1,000 cone-shaped hills on Bohol Island. They turn brown in the dry season, giving them their name. Geologists still debate exactly how they formed, with theories ranging from coral deposits to limestone erosion. Portuguese island in the Atlantic, known for its mild climate and dramatic cliffs. It's a popular year-round destination for hikers. Cristiano Ronaldo was born here, and the island's airport is now named after him. Trolltunga is a rock formation jutting horizontally out of a mountainside in Norway. Its name means troll's tongue. Reaching it requires a strenuous 10 to 12-hour round-trip hike, yet it's become one of Norway's most photographed hiking destinations only within the last decade. The Great Barrier Reef stretches along Australia's northeastern coast. It's the largest coral reef system on Earth. It's the only living structure visible from space and has suffered repeated mass coral bleaching events due to rising ocean temperatures. Victoria Falls sits on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe on the Zambezi River. It's one of the largest waterfalls in the world by width. Locals call it Mosi Oa Tunya, or the smoke that thunders after the mist that can be seen from miles away. Whitsundays are a group of islands off Australia's Queensland coast within the Great Barrier Reef. They're known for sailing and beach tourism. Whitehaven Beach here is made of nearly pure silica sand, so fine it stays cool underfoot even in the tropical sun. The Dead Sea sits on the border of Jordan and Israel, fed by the Jordan River. It's famous for letting bathers float effortlessly on its surface. At roughly 430 meters below sea level, its shore is the lowest point on Earth's land surface. Amazon is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, spanning much of northern Brazil and beyond. It's home to an immense diversity of plant and animal life. It produces roughly 20% of the world's oxygen and is often called the lungs of the planet, though scientists note it also consumes much of that oxygen itself. Angel Falls is a waterfall deep in Venezuela's Canaima National Park. It plunges off a flat-topped mountain called a Tipuy. At 979 meters, it's the tallest uninterrupted waterfall in the world, so tall that much of its water evaporates into mist before reaching the ground. Is a lush, volcanic island near Tahiti in French Polynesia. It's known for its jagged peaks and lagoons. Seen from the air, its twin bays give it an unmistakable heart shape. Is a site in southwestern Turkey known for its white mineral terraces. Its name means cotton castle in Turkish. The terraces formed over thousands of years as calcium-rich hot springs flowed down the hillside and hardened. Sigiriya is an ancient rock fortress in central Sri Lanka. It rises nearly 200 meters above the surrounding plain. A 5th century king built a palace on its summit, complete with frescoes and mirror-polished walls. accessible only by a narrow staircase carved into a lion's paws. This is a dirt road in western Madagascar, lined with towering baobab trees. It's one of the most photographed sites on the island. Some of these baobabs are estimated to be over 800 years old, having outlasted the forest that once surrounded them. Cappadocia is a region in central Turkey known for its surreal rock formations. It's famous today for sunrise hot air balloon flights over the valleys. Early Christians carved entire underground cities here, some reaching 8 stories deep to hide from persecution. Jökulsárlón is a glacial lagoon in southeastern Iceland. Icebergs carve from a nearby glacier and drift out to sea. It's Iceland's deepest lake and has been growing steadily larger as the glacier feeding it retreats. Koh Phi Phi is a small island group in the Andaman Sea, part of Thailand. It's known for its limestone cliffs and turquoise bays. Maya Bay here, made famous by the film The Beach, was closed to tourists for years to let its coral recover. Fernando de Noronha is a small volcanic archipelago off Brazil's northeastern coast. Access is tightly controlled to protect its marine environment. Brazil caps visitor numbers and charges an escalating daily environmental tax that rises the longer you stay. Alakul is a high-altitude alpine lake in Kyrgyzstan's Tian Shan Mountains. It's a popular multi-day trekking destination reached only on foot or horseback. Its striking turquoise color comes from glacial meltwater rich in dissolved minerals. Is a pyramid-shaped peak on the border of Switzerland and Italy. It's one of the most photographed mountains in the world. Its first ascent in 1865 ended in tragedy when 4 climbers fell to their deaths on the descent. Islands are a remote archipelago in the North Atlantic, an autonomous territory of Denmark. They're known for dramatic cliffs and grass-roofed houses. Sheep here outnumber people, and the island's name itself is believed to mean Sheep Islands in Old Norse. Aitutaki is a small island in the South Pacific, part of the Cook Islands chain. It's known for its turquoise lagoon and laid-back atmosphere. Local legend says the island was settled by the explorer Roo, who arrived with 4 wives and 4 brothers to found it. Is a desert park in Utah known for its red rock formations. It contains over 2,000 natural stone arches, more than anywhere else on Earth. The park's famous wall arch collapsed unexpectedly overnight in 2008, with no witnesses.